Hello and welcome. This is Mr. Rafraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will create Slab. So let's get started. Here I have just created a plan according to this roof plan. Okay, this is the Mumti plan here, and I have created this slab plan according to this, and I have just give a opening for staircase or Mumti. Okay, here according to this. Okay, according to these values you can see here, and I have provided you the file. You can just check this one. So I will just go here and I will go into the southwest isometric view, and let me just extrude this one. So the thickness of the slab is 100 millimeter, so I will just extrude it as 100 millimeter. I will select this profile, I will hit enter. So I will just give a 100 millimeter of value. Then I will just extrude this one. I just want to subtract this one. You can see here, as I will just go in realistic view, so there is no any opening, so we want to just make a opening here. So I will go again here, I will go in extrude, I will select this one, then I will just give a 100 millimeter of value. Then I will just subtract this one from this to this. Okay, so I will just enter a subtract command, I will hit enter. Then I will just select this one, enter, then select this one, then enter. Now you can see it is going to subtract it there, and this is the opening here. Let me just move this plan from here. I will just select this one and then move, and I will pick it from here on this position, and I will just put it here on the top of this. Okay, so this is the second point as I want to move it here. Now you can see here the slab is going to create it, and I want to just change the view from here. I want to rotate this one. You can see it is okay right now. Okay, we will just create a mumti on this one. Okay, we can create here, and we will create one wall here as well. I will just create a wall here as well here. Okay, so for creating wall I have to just check the height. So height here for this wall is 3000 millimeter. So for creating wall I will go in the layer panel, and I will just change the layer 3D wall. I will just select from here as 3D wall. So I will select this one, and I will make this as a current layer, and I will go here, I will take rectangle command, and I will select as first point this point, and second point as this point. I want to extrude this one. Okay, so I will just go into the press pull, and I will just select this one. Then I want to extrude as 3000 millimeters, so I will just enter a value of 3000 and I will hit enter. Now you can see it is going to extrude here, and all of the things are okay right now. Yes, I want to change the view from here. Now let me check it. Now I will just create a wall over here. So for that I will just go and I will check what is the height of this wall. So I will just go in top view and let me check this height here. Okay, and the height here is 1500 millimeters. So again I will go in southwest isometric view, and I will start from here. I can just take polyline here. Okay, here is the column, so I will just create this separate. I will go here, I will just take polyline, and I will start from here, this one, then this one. Okay, and this one, this one, and I will make close. Okay, close, and I will go in press pull. Okay, and I will select this profile. Let me just select this one. Yeah, and I will give it as a value of 1500 millimeter. I will hit enter. Now it is going to create it here. You can see here this is just okay right now. Let me just rotate this one to see the changes. Okay, so that is all about this session. I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.